Hello everyone! First of all, Happy Lunar New Year! So for those who celebrate Lunar New Year, I wish you have a wonderful holiday with your family and your friends. Today, I'm talking to you from my bathroom and I'm sitting on the toilet. You guys wonder why I'm talking to you from my bathroom? Because I'm gonna teach you a really simple but very useful tip to unclog your toilet, especially when you don't have this. Sometimes, even if you have a plunger, it doesn't unclog your toilet. Eventually, you gotta call a plumber to unclog your toilet, right? So today, I'm gonna teach you a simple tip to unclog your toilet for 100% sure. All you need is a plastic bag, a duct tape, and a scissors. That's it. So the video you're going to watch from now on is actually pre-recorded in Korean. So I'm sorry about that, people who don't speak Korean. But I have English subtitle on every single video I upload on YouTube, so you can just click English subtitle. So hopefully this video can unclog your toilet every time it gets clogged. Alright, let's break it on.
자, 이렇게 뚫어뻥이 없을 경우에는 비닐봉지를 변기에 잘 씌워서 공기의 압력을 통해서 막힌 변기를 뚫어볼 건데요. 이게 한번 실패하고 나면 다시 설치하기가 힘들기 때문에, 그리고 레버를 내리게 되면은 기압이 올라오거든요. 그때 그 공기를 양손으로 눌러서 기압의 힘으로 막힌 변기를 뚫어보도록 하겠습니다. 변기가 뚫렸는지 이제 비닐을 떼어내 보겠습니다. 좀 전까지 변기가 막혀 있었거든요. 자, 이제 다시 한번 네, 깨끗하게 잘 내려갑니다.
This is it. Pretty simple science, right? Using air pressure to push down water to unclog your clogged toilet. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully this tip helps you to unclog your toilet whenever it gets clogged. Alright, I'll try my best to come back with informative and interesting video next time. Until then, please stay safe, stay healthy, and stop the spread. Lastly, Happy Lunar New Year! Until then, 안녕히 계세요.